Dear students, in this video I explain fifth characteristic property of solids. Solids cannot be compressed. Okay, see this image. Books are there, 3 books. So book is a solid because book is having a rigid shape that ordinarily does not change. That means even if pressed very hard with the hands, it does not change the shape of the books. If a very high pressure is applied to a solid, it may break, but its size does not change appreciably. The size may change, but does not change appreciably. So we can say solids are incompressible. They cannot be compressed. But sponge is exceptional. Sponge is also a solid, but it has many pores. Just have many pores in it. So air is present in these pores. When you squeeze it, when you press it, air moves out of the pores. But when you leave it, air again fills up the pores in the sponge. Hence, we can say solids cannot be compressed. We cannot press by normal methods. Solids cannot be compressed. Dear students, in the coming video, I explain the 6th characteristic properties of solids. Solids do not flow. Using this example,